Talking to a stranger. Are you meeting new people? Start with a smile and say, "Hi, is this seat taken?" Or, "Excuse me, can I ask you something? Is this your first time here?" "Yes, I just moved to this city." Ask polite questions like, "Where are you from?" Or, "What do you do?" Be friendly but not too personal. Use small talk topics like weather, travel, or hobbies. Talking to strangers helps you practice real conversation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just listen, smile, and keep trying. One small sentence can start a great new conversation.